I guess I turn the lights on in here. Okay, so this week has been a dud on stuff to do because the temperature went down to about 18 degrees, and I don't work out here. I've got these electric heaters that they can get this garage up to about 60, 65, but it takes hours to do it. When it gets 4 degrees and 18 degrees, I just don't work, but I was able to get enough heat to get my board painted. So next week, I'll be able to get my last board put up here in here. And then I ran all my air line for my large hose up through the ceiling, all the way through, drilled a hole right there, run it all the way through. So now I have air over in this side of the garage, run it to this wall next to the heater, then went behind the wall, got my light set up, so if I need a light, I can pull it. I've got a 3-prong electric outlet now. If I need to charge a battery or jump or do whatever I want, I can pull it. And I now have air and access to an air lane on this side of the building. So that's good. I moved one of the bench grinders over, the larger 6-inch one, buffer. I've got my dad's wire wheel grinder set up. Like I said before, there's a video. I got my Dremel tool set up because that's going to go on the other stand here once I get some time. I've got another air line here that I need to run, and I'm going to put it up here next to the monitor so I can have access to an air line in case I work on something on this bench, or I could go boom, go right over here to whatever I'm working on, drill a hole, do whatever I want. So yeah, I didn't get a lot done this week. The cold is a big thing for me, but I don't know what happened. I'm trying to lose a little bit of weight and get back into shape, and I overdid it and lifted weights, and I think I ripped something on the inside of my stomach. Not sure what it is. I've had black blood shits for almost 2-3 weeks, and I didn't stop exercising. And this weekend, I've basically laid in bed for 2 days, and I finally have some solid poopers that aren't black. They finally went back to brown, which I think tells me that my internal bleeding has stopped. If I have a rip in there, I don't know. But, you know, hardworking people that make, you know, decent money, but not enough money to take care of themselves, just don't have insurance like me. So I'm in a lot of pain, and I just don't know what's going to happen. So anyway, I'm going to do a little bit of work this week, and then next week, hopefully this will be up and I'll have the airlines ran, but I'm not feeling too good. I'm having chest pains and, you know, tarry black poopers. So anyway, hopefully I'll be here next week if I don't die.